Lost my body on the rocks. Life's a party. I'm hollow, you're vast. Good things, they don't last. I wish that they could, but I'm sorry.
Action!
Happy birthday, Lindsay. Or should I say, you're so pretty right now. Anyways, our friendship is unexpected. And it became more unexpected because it lasts long until now.
Did I catch your attention? You look like you lost your breath.
Happy birthday, Lindsay!
Happy birthday, Lindsay!
Happy birthday, Stacey. Today marks a new beginning and exciting chapter in your life. Looking back to all our memories from high school, the laughter, the mischiefs, and the tears, I reminded how lucky I am to have you as my friend.
No, cause I've been here once or twice. Never worry about the eyes. Come on, don't just stand there staring, honey. Try to move your feet. If you think they're looking.
Happy birthday, Lindsay!
Happy birthday, Lindsay! You're my sister, my constant, and the person I know I can always count on.
That's you, baby. They looking at me. They looking at me. Yeah, they looking at me. Young for a teacher, I'll teach you what you don't know.
Happy birthday, girl!
Bring any bull in the room tonight. It's a whole new rodeo. It could be you and me, but you know that'll steal the show.
Happy birthday, Lindsay! Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, matupad ang iyong pangarap na matapos mo ang iyong pag-aaral.
Don't just stand there staring, honey. Try to move your feet. If you think they're looking at you, they're looking at me. I can make it nice and easy. I'ma take the lead.
Happy birthday, Lindsay. And ang wish ko lang sa'yo is sana maging successful ka in life and always do the right things. Lagi mong gagalingan at lagi mong pipiliin na gumawa ng tama.
Yeah, cause I've been here once or twice, babe. Never
Happy birthday!
come on, don't just stand there staring, honey. Try to move your feet. If you think they're looking at you, they're looking at me. I can make it nice and easy. I'ma take the lead. They ain't even looking at you, baby. They're looking at me. They looking at me. No, yeah, they looking at me.
Happy birthday, Lindsay! Wish ko sa'yo matupad ang iyong mga pangarap. Yung gusto mong maging nurse, sana matupad yun pagdating ng panahon. Tsaka ibigay sa'yo ni Lord na marami pang birthday ang darating sa'yo.
If I leave you behind, you can look for the broken eggs.